guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naki. Okay, so for all my girls that have frontal wigs, right, that you bought and you had a stylist fix for you or install for you, and now it's sitting in your wardrobe or wherever you stuffed it because you do not know how to go about styling it, this video is for you. Yes, you. Okay, all right, so I'm going to take you through my curling process and also my installation process, so you can do your installs yourself when you have to go out on a day or hang with the girls or whatever it is. Just slay your wig, you get what I mean? Yes, so let's get right into it. So I've had this beautiful wig for about 2 years. The last time I wore it was on the trip overseas. That was in July last year, and I haven't touched it since. So yes, it is not an HD frontal. It's a very regular frontal lace. So the lace is quite hard, but yeah, we are going to work with it the best way we can. So I'm going to slide this wig right over my canvas head, and I'm going to secure it with some T-pins so it doesn't move while we do our curling and blow drying and all of that. This hair hasn't come in contact with any serums or hairsprays since I tucked it away. So I'm going to run some foaming mousse through it, and then I'm going to also use some serum into it. Those are my favorite things that I like to do to my hair before I do anything like blow drying or curling. Baby, don't stop. It's time to blow dry the hair on heat. It shouldn't be too hot to burn it, but it should just be hot enough to get the moisture out of the hair. Next time, and you feel refreshing, lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both are. Now that hair right there looks like it's ready to obey instructions, so we are just going to move into curling this baby. I want my parts to be in the middle, so I'm going to make one right there. And then with the help of a wax stick, this is from Justlin, and hot comb, mine is from BBL. I'm going to just flatten the middle part down so I don't look like I'm carrying a mountain on my head. I'm going to apply some of the wax on my hairline and move all the stray hairs to the back to join the other longer hairs because I don't want any stray hair interrupting with my installation. This hot comb can get very, very heated, so I like to keep the temperature at 300 and no more. Now we are at the part that is slightly confusing for a lot of people, curling the hair. Here I'll be using my Revlon 1-inch diameter curler. I've had this for years, so it's my go-to curler. The highest temperature on this curler is 220, so I'm just going to keep it right there. Now the direction in which you choose to curl your hair solely depends on you. You can curl it into the face, or you can curl it out of your face or away from your face. I like to curl my hair away from my face, so I'll be moving out in that direction. So I decided to release the curl to show you how it looks like when you're curling away from your face. So the hair is like, it looks like it's moving from the front of your face to the back of your head, sort of. So it's like it's sweeping from the front to the back. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is how I like to curl my hair. So we are just going to allow the curler to sit there for just a few seconds, and then we'll slowly release it by pressing the clump, and then you clip it down with a metal clip. Okay, that's how you secure your curls, since I'm not ready to release them. So I'm going to do the same thing to all the other curls. So it's too hot right now, like the weather is crazy hot, so I'm not going to be doing a bob cut method. We are not gonna do. What we are going to do actually is to pull our edges back. I'm going to take this edge control. This is air cream, it's very popular here. I'm just going to take some of it and then just go over my edges with it. Now I'm going to take this brush, I'm going to pull them back. Every girl needs a blow dryer, so I'm going to take my blow dryer. I'm going to put my blow dryer on cold air, but hard cold air. I'm going to blow it dry. So guys, my next step is to get a wet wipe and then spray it with some alcohol to clean my edges. Now this is supposed to remove any oils and leftover hair products, which is the edge control that I just used. So I'm going to wipe that off my hairline. Next, I will be using my lace glue. I like to use a lace glue and then go on top of it with the Ebin spray. So I'll be using this one from Justlin. This is Justlin lace glue. You can use any other lace glue that you prefer. For me, in the heat in our weather, I realized that just using lace glue doesn't help because it's gooey and sticky, so it slips. So I like to use any lace glue with this one as well. Put the glue on our hairline right in front of my hairline. We are just gonna spread it and allow it to dry. It started drying here already, so I'm just gonna blow it dry so it can dry faster. What I like about this glue is it dries very fast. While the sideburn area is drying, I'm just going to start installing the forehead area glue. Yeah, so I'm just going to let my wig hang around here. I'm just going to take the spray and I'm going to spray on top of the glue. We are going to do this section by section. We are going to do the forehead first, then we come to the left side and the right side, or vice versa. Now the thing about this, I didn't even finish talking, is that it drips. So you need to have your wet wipes right by so that you can take care of it when it starts dripping. Take your blow dryer and then you blow you blow on the spurts, or you blow on the spray so that it also gets tacky. Only do it for it to get tacky. Don't completely dry it out. So you can see, guys, it's very tacky, and it doesn't take long to get tacky. Okay, so right there and there, I'm just gonna put the lace on top of it, and then take my tail comb. I'm going to put this here and stick it, stretch it to the side, put the comb through and stick it. Right, so I'm going to do here next and then stretch the lace so that this fold just like disappears. So I'm going to just spray. So here it's completely dry now. I'm just going to spray over with the Ebin spray. Oh, right, just make sure it goes all over your glue. And blow dry. Just stretch it down here. And then just use the comb. You can use the tip or the rat tail to push the lace down. Now we're going to do the side. I have some sideburns here. I think I'll just work with this one, and then just add some more from here and there. So I like to take it from in here somewhere. Okay, if you don't like to do baby hairs, you can skip this part. Just mirroring the same length here. Okay, so now I have this and that, which is enough for me. I'm going to take the spray and I'm going to spray over it, over the lace. We both already know. Don't completely dry it out. You're just going to allow the spray to melt into the lace, okay? And then you're going to tie it up. I'm just gonna put an elastic band over it. Now while we are waiting, we're just gonna, get all the shebang. Right, we are back from the shambolizing process. You dig? I look good. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so I had to do this off camera because I was doing my makeup and it was in the way, so I had to just like swoop it up so I can do my brows. But then this side is still undone. The sideburn from here is still undone, so we are going to do that. I'm going to take some of the same edge contour I was using before, and I'm going to just slide that over my sideburns like that. So I'm just going to move this away from my ears. So you move it away and bring it back in like that. Away and back in. Yeah? You don't have to exaggerate your sideburn like I do, but I'm always so extra. So you have a nice, sexy swoop. Yeah. So now it's time to take out these pins and let the curls do the talking. All the places, my places, your place. And then just use my hot comb to go over that. And we're just going to pull the top part over. And then what I like to do is to run my hands through the curls. And then take like a big comb and just like curtain bang can bang. So the curtain bangs will, you know, like flow. Okay, so it's more of hot comb and comb for me at this point. So it's more of hot comb to flatten this part of your head, and then, you know, just run your hand through it. Yeah, let me show you how it's looking down here. So see, you know, that's just about it. This is our final look.
Your place is my place now. My place is your place. Let's face it, baby. You know all the places. Places. My place is your place. My place. Your place is my place. Just face it. No one knows my places like you do.
Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share. Lastly, don't forget to hit the bell button by the subscribe button, okay, so that you get notified every time I post something beautiful. Leave your comments down below. I'll put every other detail on the products and tools I used for this in the description box. I hope you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching.